Hey, it's JJ from PM Data Recovery again. Next up on the chopping block, MacBook Pro. Let's go. So, as per usual, first thing we're going to do is measure the voltage on this guy. So we've got very low voltage. There's definitely a short somewhere on this machine, so let's find it. All right, we'll help this customer out. We'll give it a bit of a clean. And while we're here, we'll give the board a clean as well. Look at that. So this guy was pretty dusty. So let's measure the voltage again to see if that dust had anything to do with the problem. Exactly the same voltage going through this device. So the dust didn't have anything to do with the issue right now. It may have caused it potentially, but we still got some fixing to do. All right, so straight away we have a short on our main power line. All right, so let's try and fix this guy, shall we? Here's our guy. So using our thermal camera, we can see that this little black IC appears to be overheating. This little dude right here, causing all these problems. We need a working part from a donor board. So this is a board from a past recovery that we completed successfully, and the customer was nice enough to let us keep the board. So let's get a part from this guy. There is our donor chip. Let's clean him up a bit. Now that we've harvested our chip, we're going to do my favorite part, and that's reballing the chip so we can reattach it to the board. All right, final step is to put our donor chip onto our faulty board and see if she works. All right, so we've replaced our chip. Let's go ahead and plug her in. Let's measure the voltage and see if we're working. All right, so we have 20 volts going through the machine. The machine is booted. We're winning. Job done. Let's put it back together and see if it actually turns on and recover some data.